Hello, welcome to Createful Art and welcome to Art Tip Tuesdays, where I'm going to teach you some quick tips on how to become a better artist. Today's tip involves color swatches, and you'll need your color chart. So what I do is I have the colors that I want for my painting, and then I just find the colors on my color chart that matches. So for example, this one's really easy. I'm going to need unbleached titanium and yellow light Hansa to mix this one. Let's do a little harder one. So if I'm looking at my color chart here, I can look to see that this one is very close. This one's bronze yellow and brilliant blue mixed. This one up here is also close, emerald green and ivory black. So I can grab my ivory black, my emerald green, bronze yellow, and brilliant blue and adjust them to create this color. Now I'm going to mix these colors together. I know that this one's pretty close, bronze yellow and brilliant blue. So I'm going to mix these first and then check. Okay, so you can see it's a little bit more green. I can try to add more blue to make it more blue. Here we go, we're getting close, but it's not quite a match. We're going to need to mix some of these other colors to get the match. I'm going to use this black over here, and it looks like I'm not even going to need that green. And that's how it works. You may want some colors, you may not want some colors. You just know that these are the colors that are going to mix closely to this color. Okay, and then I'm really close. I'm going to need some white. So all of these up here are the lighter version that includes white, and these ones are the darker. And I will show you how to make one of these color charts in one of my free lessons when you go to createfullart.com, because it is such an important tool to have. So I'm going to add some white to my palette here. Mix some white into this color until I've adjusted it to the right match. And I've got myself a really close match right here. So this is how you use your color swatches and your color chart to mix and match any colors you want in your painting. And how this helps you become a better artist? Now you'll be able to get the colors exactly the way you want in each one of your paintings. Now that you know how to mix and match any color you want in your painting, grab that free art lesson that I have that's going to show you how to make a color chart. It's really important to help you paint and become a better artist. Here's the link to that lesson, and it's also in the description if you don't see it. Come back every Tuesday to get another art tip that's going to help you become a better artist. And make sure that you check out these other tutorials that show you how to paint beautiful views like this.